Morning everyone, my name's Josh Freed and I'm a grower up here near Westpoint, Indiana. This is my first year dealing with Augusta. Just wanted to touch base on this 1259 planted May 2nd of this year. Currently it is July 6th and just want to touch base with how phenomenal this corn looks. This is a very tough acre farm that I've got this planted on. Planted at 26,500 on the population. That's per my district sales manager, James, up in northeastern Indiana. And I cannot thank them enough. This has been so far one of the best companies that I've ever dealt with as far as a seed company. Looking forward to getting the combine out here this fall. I can't wait to see what this crop does. I think it's going to be a phenomenal crop. It's about 7.5, 8 feet tall. I'm 6'2", as you can tell. We've got pretty good heights above me. So, like I said, couldn't have asked for a better company to switch to. No regrets whatsoever. I'm excited to see what happens in the future. Thank you. Talk to you later.